Hey, I'm John,
And then Zhao.
and we made CrystalCoach for our software design project. So CrystalCoach is a voice interactive fitness health platform that has three main features: voice assistant, uh, activity recorder, and health recommendations, which is going to be coming in the future. So let's go ahead and get started. So you can log in with CrystalCoach's platform using email and password, or you can register a new account. But the easiest way is to click on Google to sign in. I'll go ahead and sign in with Google right here, and it's one-click sign in. So right away, it gets my user profile picture and all my credentials that are my basic user profile information, and then populates the page with it. We'll go ahead and add my profile. I can add things like my ethnicity. So for example, I'm Vietnamese. Vietnamese. Okay. My age is 21. I'm 5'10", and so on and so forth. And I can edit my image profile URL here, my name here, change my password, and my email here. Then when I click on edit profile again, I'll get saved, even if I refresh. Over here, there's the Crystal Calculate button, which I can use to calculate my BMR. So let's go ahead and click on that. And over here, I can click male. I am 21 years old, 5'10", 155 pounds. And I can say what my daily activities are. So for example, I'm on my butt most of the day, so I'm in computer science. Maybe exercise 1 day a week. And my workout intensity is pretty light. I'd like to ideally gain some weight, so plus 5%. And when I click on calculate, that's going to calculate my BMR. And when I go back to my account, my BMR is updated right there. So Xiao can talk about what that means.
So the understanding of BMR is basically your basal metabolic rate. It's basically your total energy expenditure at rest and other neat stuff that's used to calculate your daily calorie intake and calories burned. And it's a really important because everyone's unique. So everyone burn calories in different rate. Everyone have different metabolic rates, and it's just based on human physique, I guess, and everything else. So the idea behind the personalization of an account with Crystal Calculate is to retrieve as much data as possible to find the most accurate and nearly close calories you need per day to maintain your weight or lose your weight or gain weight for maybe if you want to gain some muscle. So during all that, we'll retrieve all your information, gather everything we can possibly get without using different tools that we don't have right now, and gather information and return information to you, as in what calories are needed a day, what is your carb intake, your fat intake, and your protein intake. So once John goes through the demo, you're able to see during in the stats exactly what you need.
Yep, so here's the stats page. And after putting in the BMR, you can see that all these stats have been updated. So for example, if I go back into Crystal Calculate and reset my BMR, all these values would then change. So there's that. The stats page will also record your activities throughout the day and then tell you if you're meeting your goals or not. So the next page is the dashboard page, and it's our final page. The dashboard page is a quick overview of your goals for calories, carbs, fat, and protein again, and your current steps towards them for the day. And over here we have a status update page. So over here I can say hello, like that, and then shall.
And
If
on
he's logged
my
in.
end, I could say something like, hello world, and it'll be updated real time.
Yep, so there's Shao. That's what he posted. I can say hi, Shao. again, and it will go on until we're done.
Now,
So, yeah.
basically, the idea behind this basically the idea behind this is to have a real-time live status feed or a social feed. Let's say that.
So it's something similar to Facebook, combined with a chat. And essentially you'll be able to have different friends when we have those features. And then you'll be able to see all your friends' updates right here. But yep, so our last feature to show you is our Crystal feature. And Crystal is the voice that you talk to. You can say things like, I ran for 5 minutes, or I ate a banana, and she'll put them onto your activities list. So let's go ahead to our profile, and then let's see our conversation with Crystal. So over here, I can say, hey Crystal, I ate spaghetti.
The food spaghetti is approximately 357 calories.
Not bad.
So yep, there we go. Let's try another one. Hey Crystal, I ran for 5 miles.
Doing the exercise, ran, burns approximately 243.03489000000002 calories.
Right, so distance is something that we're still working on. Oh, you say something like minutes. Hey Crystal, I ran for 5 minutes.
Doing the exercise, ran, burns approximately 231.4618 calories.
So there we go. Alright, cool. And over here, if we go back here and add some food, then we can see the calories, carbs, fat, and protein goals being met. So I can say, hey Crystal, I ate an apple.
The food apple is approximately 70 calories.
Oh, well, looks like it didn't update here, but let's go over here and try it out. Hey Crystal, I ate spaghetti.
The food spaghetti is approximately 357 calories.
Perfect. Alright, so yep, looks like that's pretty much it. There's still some bugs to be ironed out, but overall, yep, she recorded all of the last phrases I put in. Yeah, she is getting close to completion. We made all the changes necessary to complete all of our proposed changes for the semester, and from here we're looking to go ahead, complete the platform as it is now as a web app, integrate the user suggestions, and port it over to Cordova to turn into a web app. Right now it is mobile responsive, so if you go into your mobile device, let's refresh the page, then it'll look like this. So it's nice and compact, while on the desktop it's nice and spread out, so that we have room for adding more modules when we deem it necessary. So yeah, that's pretty much CrystalCoach as it is right now, version 0.3. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.